SBDC makes a difference by being able to have an impact, a positive impact at that, by just providing guidance or either connecting business owners and entrepreneurs in PA to other resources that can help them to continue on their journey or even just get started.
Working with the Small Business Development Center helps provide you with that extra resource, that person that can provide answers to questions that you have rather than searching for them and not knowing where to go to get them. And ultimately, you will have a higher likelihood of success because of the assistance that you've received from our program.
Long-term studies of the effectiveness of SBDCs demonstrate that businesses that get help stay in business for longer and succeed at higher rates than those who go it alone.